Myself, JVN Professor K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Subject is Animal Physiology and Endocrinology. And now we will discuss about the structure of the neuron. Nervous tissue comprises two types of cells, neurons and the neuroglia. These cells combine in a variety of ways in different regions of the nervous system. In addition to forming the complex processing network within the brain and spinal cord, neurons also connect all regions of the body to the brain and spinal cord. The neurons possess electrical excitability, means the ability to respond to a stimulus and convert it into an action potential. A stimulus is any change in the environment that is strong enough to initiate an action potential. A action potential कहो या nerve impulse कहो is an electrical signal that propagates along the surface of the membrane of a neuron. It begins and travels due to movement of ions such as sodium and potassium ions between interstitial fluid and inside of a neuron through specific ion channel in the plasma membrane. Once begun, a nerve impulse travels rapidly and at a constant rate. Most of the neurons have three parts: cell body, dendrites and the axon. The cell body, also known as perikaryon और सोमा भी कह सकते हो, पेरिकार्योन भी कह सकते हो, सेल बॉडी भी कह सकते हो, contain a nucleus surrounded by cytoplasm that include typical cellular organelles such as lysosome, mitochondria and Golgi complex. Neuronal cells body also contain free ribosome and prominent cluster of rough endoplasmic reticulum termed Nissl bodies. ठीक है कि न्यूरोनल जो सेल बॉडी हैं उनके अंदर फ्री राइबोसोम एंड क्लस्टर ऑफ रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम जिनको आप निसल्स बॉडी कहते हो. राइबोसोम्स आर द साइट ऑफ प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. Newly synthesized protein produced by Nissl bodies are used to replace cellular component as material for growth of neuron and to regenerate damaged axon in the PNS. समझे कि Nissl बॉडी किसके लिए यूज होती हैं? सेलुलर कंपोनेंट, इस तरह मटेरियल फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द न्यूरॉन्स, और रीजनरेट द डैमेज एक्शन इन द PNS, पेरिफेरल नर्वस system. उसके अंदर Nissl. The cytoskeleton include both neurofibril composed of bundle of intermediate filaments that provide the cell shape and support the microtubule, which assist in moving material between the cell body and the axon. Aging neuron also contain lipofuscin, a pigment that occurs as clump of yellowish brown granule in the cytoplasm. Lipofuscin is a product of neuronal lysosome that accumulate as the neuron ages but does not seem to harm the neuron as it ages. A neurofiber is a general term for any neuronal process that emerges from the cell body of the neuron. Most neurons have two kinds of processes: multiple dendrites and a single axon. Dendrites इनकी little tree are the receiving या input portion of a neuron. Dendrites से हम receive करेंगे signals. The plasma membrane of dendrites contain numerous receptor sites for binding chemical messenger from other cells. Dendrites usually are short, tapering and highly branched. In many neurons, dendrites form a tree-shaped array of processes extending from the cell body. Their cytoplasm contain cell bodies, mitochondria and other organelles. The single axon, the axis of a neuron propagate nerve impulse towards another neuron, a muscle fiber or gland cells. Axon is a long, thin, cylindrical projection that often join to the cell body of a cone-shaped elevation called axon hillock. The part of the axon closest to the axon hillock is the initial segment. In most neurons, nerve impulse rises at the junction of the axon hillock and initial segment, an area, the trigger zone, from which they travel along the axon to their destination. Axon contain mitochondria, microtubule, neurofibrils. Because rough endoplasmic reticulum is not present, protein synthesis does not occur in the axon. Cytoplasm of the axon is called exoplasm, surrounded by plasma membrane known as exolemma. Okay, you can clearly see in the structure. Along the length of the axon, side branches called axon collaterals may branch off, typically at the right angle to the axon and its collateral end, by dividing into many fine processes called axon terminals. The site of communication between two neurons or between a neuron and a effector cell is called a synapse. The tip of some axon terminals swell into bulb-shaped structure called synaptic end bulbs. Others exhibit a string of swollen bumps called varicosities. Both synaptic end bulb and varicosities contain many tiny membrane enclosed sacs called synaptic vesicles that store a chemical called a neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter is a molecule that released from the synaptic vesicle that excite or inhibit another neuron, muscle fiber or gland cells. Many neurons contain 2 or even 3 types of neurotransmitters, each with different effect on the postsynaptic cells. The neurons display great diversity in their size and the shape. Both the structural and functional features are used to classify the various neurons in the body. Structural classification: neurons are classified according to their number of processes extending from the cell body. There are multipolar, several dendrites and one axon; bipolar, one main dendrite and one axon; unipolar, have dendrite and one axon that are fused together to form a continuous process that emerges from the cell body. This is all about the neuron. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.